January is Disney month, and AAA Travel will be hosting a Disney Open Mouse. That's right, a Disney Open Mouse, where guests can learn about current promotions for Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, and Adventures by Disney. Join AAA Travel at offices in Topeka, Manhattan, and Lawrence on Saturday, January 16th between 9 and 3 p.m. for prizes, refreshments, and to learn about the January Disney Month savings. AAA Travel advisors specializing in Disney destinations will be available for consultations and reservations for your next Disney vacation, Disney cruise, or Disney adventure. For more information on the Disney Open Mouse scheduled for Saturday, January 16th, call the AAA offices in Topeka, Manhattan, or Lawrence, or call 800-365-5222 today.